to YUGVIR'S cooking channel, YUGVIR'S kitchen. Today we are going to make an extra special video because it's Holi. So today we are going to make a cool drink, and it makes you cool because Holi it's in summer, it's in March, and March is when summer comes. This drink is called Thandai. Thandai is spicy and has poppy seeds, but children should not drink or eat anything with poppy seeds because it will make them very sleepy, and children don't like spicy. So I found a not spicy Thandai recipe for kids. Here's what we need: almonds, pistachios, cashews, sauce, elaichi powder, peppercorn, saffron soaked in milk, Gulkand, sugar, and milk, of course. I'm using a spice blender, but if you don't have a spice blender, you can use a mortar and pestle. So I'm going to put my lid on of the spice blender, put the switch, and start. Make sure it's ground to a nice fine powder. Now the powder is ready. You might notice it's pretty sticky because the almonds are soaked. Now that our powder is ready, let's get on to our milk because it's a milk drink. I'm going to add the milk in the saucepan. Once the milk comes to a boil and it's thick a little bit, I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. Now we'll stir it a little bit. Now the milk has come to a slight boil, and we'll add in the rest ingredients. Saffron gives a good yellow color to the milk, matching the colors in Holi. Gulkand. The Gulkand is very sticky, so it's stuck to my bowl. So I'll just shake it a little bit so it comes in the saucepan. Gulkand is made of rose and sugar, and it gives a cool texture to the stomach. After this, we are going to add in the sugar. And powder. Now I'm going to stir it. We are going to simmer this and simmer it on a low heat. The thicker the milk becomes, the creamier texture your Thandai gets, and it tastes better. So let's wait. Once the milk has thickened, off the gas, and you're going to go put this in room temperature. See how thick it is? Now that Thandai is ready and it's all chilled, I'm going to put in some cubes of ice because then it tastes better because it's cool and nice for summer. If you like this dry fruits in your mouth, you don't need to strain it, but I don't. So I'm going to strain it a little bit. While this is straining, I'm going to put the ice in the other glass. Thandai looks so good. Let's taste it. So good. Bye bye everyone. Please drink on Holi with your parents, adults, and subscribe to my channel YUGVIR'S Kitchen. Avoid playing with colors because it's bad for the environment. Subscribe to my channel YUGVIR'S Kitchen. Bye. See you next time.